everyone, welcome to New Bear. Today we're going to have a look at a self-closing mock ring. One of my earlier videos shows how to start your work with a mock ring and climb out to the next round using a mock picot. Today we're going to work a mock ring and chain combination. So it looks like a ring and chain, but it's worked using only a chain. We're going to break this into 3 sections. Section 1 will be the first leg of our chain. Section 2 will be the mock ring, and section 3 will be the second leg of our chain. With our hand set up for a chain, we begin by making the required number of stitches for the first leg. I'm going to work 12. We need to make a loop using our core thread. You can just loop it up like that. I prefer to use my ring finger to create the loop and hold it in the pinch. Now you don't need to leave your finger here. I actually find it easier to work if I take my finger out. But if you do remove your finger, be careful not to pull your shuttle thread too much or you're going to lose that loop. The loop is important because it's going to help us turn our chain into a ring a bit later. Make the first half of your double stitch and bring it down so that it sits right up against the last leg of our first chain. Second half. That's what it should look like for now. And finish out the count of your mock ring section. I'm going to work 8, picot 8. To close our mock ring, make sure that our loop isn't twisted. Pass your shuttle up through this loop. Hold on to the stitches and gently pull on your shuttle. This pulls the loop closed while also pulling the end of our chain around to form a ring. For the second leg, pull the first half stitch right into the neck, right into here. Second half, and finish out the count of the second leg. So for me, that's 12. Snug. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.